Bridge course, Standard 10th, Science.
सेकंड आपण पहिलं पाहिलं होतं क्रिप्टोगॅम्स आणि दुसरं होतं फेनेरोगॅम्स. मगाचे जे होते ते क्रिप्टोगॅमचे 3 डिव्हिजन पाहिले. आता आपण फेनेरोगॅम पाहणार आहोत. फेनेरोगॅम आपण इथे एवढं करून थांबणार आहोत सो दॅट इट विल बी नॉट मच फॉर यू ऑल टू रिवाइज. ओके. आणि नंतर ज्यावेळेस आपण हा धडा पुन्हा एकदा रिवाइज करू तर आय वॉन्ट द आन्सर्स फ्रॉम युअर साइड. नाउ वॉट एव्हर आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन यू आय एम गोइंग टू गिव्ह यू अ शॉर्ट टेस्ट. You all are supposed to write down the answers, keep the notation with you so that whenever I will ask, you all are supposed to send it to me. Phanerogams are called as flowering plants. Cryptogams were not having flowers. We all know that. But phanerogams are flower bearing. They have flowers. We have already studied it. This type of plant have specific structure for reproduction and produce seeds. They have special structure for reproduction and they produce seeds. Depending upon the seeds are enclosed in fruit or not, phanerogams are classified into gymnosperm and angiosperm. These phanerogams are further subdivided into 2 parts, gymnosperm and angiosperm. We will study this gymnosperm and angiosperm in our next session. Till that time, homework for you. Just read till this topic. ह्या टॉपिक पर्यंत you are supposed to read all the chapter. पूर्ण धडा वाचायचा आहे. पण आता हे इथपर्यंत फेनेरोगॅम पर्यंत आपण आलेलो आहोत. तर फेनेरोगॅम पर्यंत तुम्हाला तो धडा पूर्ण वाचून घ्यायचा आहे तिथपर्यंत. आणि तिथून पुढेही वाचला तर वेल अँड गुड फॉर यू ऑल. ओके. So this will be the homework for you all to read the chapter and the assignment which I will give you. You all are supposed to complete it in your notebook.
Gymnosperm. This is division 1. Gymnosperm. Gymnos means naked and sperm means seed. Here seeds are open. Gymnosperm are mostly evergreen, perennial and woody plants. Their stems are without branches. Leaves form a crown shape. The plant bear male and female flower on different sporophyll of the same plant. Seeds of this plant do not have natural covering. That is, plants do not form fruits and are therefore called gymnosperm. This is the best example of cycas. Angiosperm. Angios means cover and sperm means seed. Here seeds are covered. The flowers these plants bear are their reproductive organ. Flower develop into fruit and seeds are formed within fruit. Thus the seeds are covered. Hence it is called as angiosperm. Plants whose seeds can be divided into 2 equal halves or dicotyledons are called as dicotyledonous plants. Thus, whose seeds cannot be divided into 2 equal halves are called as monocotyledonous. So, you can identify now what is monocotyledonous and which plant is dicotyledonous. म्हणजे ज्या सीड्सचे 2 इक्वल हाफमध्ये आपण काढू शकतो, तोडू शकतो तिला, तर दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डायकॉटिलिडॉन. अँड द सीड विच कॅन नॉट बी डिवायडेड इंटू 2 हाफ आर कॉल्ड ॲज मोनोकॉटिलिडॉन. डायकॉटिलिडॉनस प्लांट अँड मोनोकॉटिलिडॉनस प्लांट. Seeds of dicotyledonous are 2 cotyledons and monocotyledonous plant have single cotyledon. Roots. Well developed primary roots, that is taproot, whereas in monocotyledonous plant the roots are fibrous roots. Stems. In dicotyledonous stems are hard, for example banyan tree, whereas in monocotyledonous plant stems are hollow, example bamboo, falls, banana, disc-like, that is onion. Leaf, reticulate venation in dicotyledonous, whereas parallel venation in monocotyledonous plant. Flower, flower with 4 or 5 parts of or in their मल्टिपल्स, म्हणजे 4च्या किंवा 5च्या पटीमध्ये जर पेटल्स किंवा हे असतील त्याच्यामधले वोल्स असतील तर दॅन वी कॅन से इट इज टेट्रामेरस और पेंटामेरस. Whereas in monocotyledonous, flower are 3 part or in multiple of 3. It is called as trimerous plant flowers. So this is how we can study dicotyledonous plant and monocotyledonous plant. Now let us solve exercise. First one, observe plants like cycas, Christmas tree, hibiscus, lily, etc. and compare them. Note the similarities and differences among them. त्यांना व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्व करा ह्या प्लांट्सला and you just have to list out their similarities and their differences. Write the division of given plants irrespective of difference in their part, that is body structure. Write what is the similarity between them. Here are 3 plants given. You are supposed to identify these plants and accordingly answer the question. You just have to write down similarities between them. Question 3. Label the diagram. The diagram is given. You just have to write down the names of these given parts. Question 4. Observe the given plant and answer the question. Identify the given plant. Label the part. Box is given. You just have to label that particular part. To which division does this plant belong? You are supposed to write down to which division it belongs. Observe seeds, root, stems, leaf, flower of mustard and maize and verify the difference in their characters. हे सगळ्या झाडांचे तुम्हाला ह्या सगळे पार्ट्स ऑब्झर्व करायचे आहेत आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये काय कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे ती लिहायची आहे. Question 6. Try this. Soak seeds of corn, beans, groundnut, tamarind, mango, wheat, etc. in water for 8 to 10 hours. After they are soaked, check each seed whether it is divided into 2 equal halves or not and categorize them accordingly. You are supposed to categorize them in dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous plants.